Hello everyone, in this video, how to draw a line in Photoshop with pen tool. Let's begin. Right click on your mouse, select pen tool and fill none, stroke color example black, PT or pixels, line style, then click anywhere, hold shift, click, then straight line and use curve line, hold shift, then drag on your mouse, curve line, hold Alt, remove again, curve line, hold Alt key, hold shift, straight line, hold shift, straight line, curve line, hold Alt and curve line, click anywhere, then draw on your mouse and edit line options, select path selection tool and see this show anchor point, click anchor point, move again, direct selection, select anchor point and move anywhere. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Remove anchor point, press delete.